Hello beautiful people, answer this question. What will you be doing tomorrow at 8 p.m.? Option A, I will be playing basketball with my friends. Option B, I will play basketball with my friends. And option C, I am playing basketball with my friends. Pause the video and answer. So the correct answer is, I will be playing basketball with my friends. I is the subject, as you know. Then we have will be and verb plus ing. Like we have will be for all kind of subjects. It's for all the time. So for all kinds of subjects, we're going to use will be. So when to use it? For something happening in the future at a specific time, like I can say, I will be teaching English tomorrow at 9 a.m. Number 2, for showing that something will be going on for a period of time in the future, like we will be driving all night. Number 3, a polite way to talk or ask about plans. Will you be joining us for dinner? Now tell me what's missing here. She blank, working at 10 a.m. Exactly, will be working at 10 a.m. Now it's your turn. Answer this question and comment it down below. What will you be doing tomorrow at 6 p.m.? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Take care and have fun.